Grand Rising, and thank you for joining. I'm Tamika Ray, a housewife and mom living in Chicago. I'd like to show you what my morning routine looks like as I wake up. When I first wake up, I like to ease my way out of the bed, saying a couple of affirmations to myself. One of my favorites is, I am worthy of rest without explanation. Another one is, my body is a sanctuary in a beautiful season of change. Ladies over 40, I encourage you to implement this practice as you rise into your day. If you remember from our previous vlog yesterday, I did some shopping to do a spring reset for my husband and my's bed, just to add some fresh colors, some brightness, to kind of liven the place up from the dark, cold, gloomy winter. So here is the blanket that I got yesterday from HomeGoods. It's a 6-piece queen set by Live Plus Well. And this comforter set came with one comforter, 2 pillow shams, 20 by 26, 2 Euro shams, 26 by 26, and 1 lumbar pillow, 12 by 12. The comforter itself is 90 by 90 inches. The price that I paid for this was $69.99. And honestly, I think that it was a really good price because it's made with natural materials, so it feels really good and cool on the skin. So, as you see, I'm making the bed up here and getting ready to light my candles right after I let some sunshine in from the windows. So both of these candles I also got from HomeGoods, and I lit both of them together and they smell so amazing. It just gives a nice, fresh, refreshed scent, just to remind you that spring is on the way. Now you see me make my way to the bathroom and brush my teeth and wash my face, and now I'm putting on some of those Skin Better Science products that I showed you in my vlog yesterday. First, I apply the eye cream after doing a gentle wash, I should say that, with CeraVe Gentle Cleanser. Then I apply the Auto Defense Serum after the eye cream all over my face. And I like to put on a body spray even when I'm just staying in the house. And what you saw me spraying there was Cocoa Sunset by Zara. It's very soft and feminine. So this morning, I'm getting some laundry done. This is my son's laundry. And I started the wash machine and realized that I still had laundry in there. So I got some of the stuff wet again. So I had to drain it by hand really quickly. I didn't want to restart the wash machine just for it. And it was just a few wipes. So I definitely didn't want to waste energy and restart the wash machine for that. So I just wrung them out by hand and put them in the dryer. It's quite a morning. You see me dropping stuff. You know, I'm not quite awake yet. Haven't had my mushroom coffee, but we'll get to that soon enough. Let me know in the comments. I just added some ammonia as a disinfectant. Let me know in the comments. Have you guys ever tried this? After starting the laundry, here I am getting the dishes done. Like I told you guys, I actually like washing some dishes by hand. If it's a lot, then I'll put them in the dishwasher. But I actually like washing dishes by hand. It's kind of a, meditation. Like I just kind of zone out. And so here you'll see me washing some of the dishes by hand. And I also told you guys I prefer to wash dishes in the morning and clean my kitchen in the morning, because in the evening, when my husband gets home, we have dinner. So after having dinner, I don't like to be in the kitchen. I like for the family to be together. So we just sit and watch movies and enjoy our quality time as a family after dinner. And when I'm home in the morning by myself, that's when I choose to clean the kitchen. And like I said, I enjoy it. That's my meditation time. So I don't mind it at all. Alright guys, so these are some of the things besides the bedding that I got from my haul yesterday. This is some Burlington, just some socks. Burlington. These are oil sprayers, so you put your oil of choice in these and then you can spray it on food so you can portion it out better. Some dandelion root detox tea. This is good for your detoxing your liver, help keep your weight down. Like I told you, I was using Rise coffee, and now I just kind of, whatever I find at HomeGoods, usually I'm trying different brands. So I got this from HomeGoods. This was another one from Burlington. Yes. Oh, so I'll show you the prices. Let's see, this was $9.99 at HomeGoods. The tea was $3.99 from Burlington. These were the oil sprayers were $3.99 from Burlington. Okay, and so I love my coffee flavors, and I also add these to like my wine or champagne. Well, this one I would add to my champagne, and lavender as well. But also I would add these to my coffee. I don't know about this one. I'll try it. But this is elderflower. If you like Saint Germain's liqueur, it's like a luxury liqueur. I put that in my champagne sometimes. And so Saint Germain is an elderflower or elderberry or elderflower liqueur. So I just decided to get this because I love the flavor. So I'll try it in my champagne. Lavender. I'm a lavender girly. First of all, I love purple, and it's just something about purple that resonates with me. So and I love lavender. So the lavender flavor for my coffee. Listen, if I see one, I'm getting two from HomeGoods. Okay, $7.95. You can't beat that. And it's in a glass bottle. These could go online for like $20 each. And beet latte. I just decided to try this because it's really good. Beets are really good for women, especially during our menstrual. So there we have it. So I never showed you guys my coffee and I guess like liqueur bar or drink bar. There we go, drink station. There we go. So yeah, I have a lot of different flavors. See, this one is really good in champagne. I put this in my champagne and white wine. These are some other coffees. This is the same brand that I just got, Shronology from HomeGoods. And this is for my son, mushroom hot chocolate, and let's see, pumpkin, and I love glass bottles. Pumpkin, brown sugar, cinnamon, and these let's see, English toffee and butter pecan. These behind here in the back, the skinny syrups, honestly, I'm not really a fan of. I don't like artificial sweeteners. I'd rather just have sugar, and the flavor isn't the best to me, honestly. But here's another one of my favorites, pistachio. OMG, so good in coffee. Yeah, there you guys have it. Here's some different liquors, my favorite, champagne, Vouv. We have some Moet down there. I'm a tequila girl. This is an amazing one when I'm doing my powdered coffee, or sometimes I want to add a little bit of flavor to my mushroom coffee. I'll use these, and just some other, like, boxed wines and things just to keep around the house. No big deal. All right. There you have it. Back to the haul, and let me enjoy my lavender coffee. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for spending the morning with me and letting me show you some of my morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Tamika Ray. Please come back. I am a new vlogger, YouTube vlogger, and I am committed to doing a vlog every day for 100 days.